Guys, I'm just gonna sing, just whatever. All right, you guys have been great. Thank you. I love you. I love you all. Thank you so much. Let's have a hand for the greatest entertainer, Mr. Elvis Presley.
That you lied to me. You know I'm hurt way down deep inside of me. You said that our love was true and that we'd never part. Now you are so new. And it breaks my heart. Much more. God dang it, honey, than you'll ever know. You know I'm so hurt because you rained on us so. But even Elvis must not like this. I know nobody else can.